Hello subscriber and watcher. In this tutorial, I guide you how you can take the student attendance in Google Meet, as well as I also tell you how you can change the student name also in the Google Meet application. So both the tools are very important nowadays, and it will be very important if suppose in one class 30 or in between 30-50 students are there, then it is very time consuming to take the student attendance. So if the ready-made tool is available, then you can just you are just one click away to take the student attendance, and I guide you how you can change the student name also. So let's get started without wasting time. So here for opening the Google Meet, you can click the icon, and here new meeting is there. Start the instant meeting. Once it is started, as you are familiar about that, you can start with the add people. So once the Google Meet is open, then what happen, if you click on here, you will be getting the list of students. So right now no one has joined. Okay, so right now no one has joined this application, no one has joined the meeting. So if the student join this, you will be getting the list of student. And here suppose we assume 30 students are there, then you have to check their name and take the attendance. That is very time consuming. But if you get the specific icon, then you will be one click away to take the attendance. So now we see how to do that. So now I close this, and here you just type the meet attendance. So here you have to select this. Once you type the meet attendance, you can observe here the website is chrome.google.com. So you will be easily getting this, and once you click there, this page will open, and you just observe this icon of Apple and click on add to Chrome, add extension. Here you don't need to do anything, just close. And once it is added, now the next option is remove from Chrome. If you are not comfortable with that extension, you can remove also. Now I just simply close this, adding the new tab, and you observe here this icon not came, that is the icon of meet attendance. So you just click on this icon, and here it is inactive, you have to activate. Now you see this icon is coming at the upside. Now you have to open your Google Meet. So I am opening now. Click on new meeting, instant meeting. Then here click on join now. If you want to add people, you can add. So here you observe now attendance icon is coming. So it's very simple to use, not complicated. If you move your mouse position here, you are getting downside some option. So what happen, if you select this, now you see no one, here attendance is showing 0, and you will be getting blank sheet. So if you want to capture attendance, you click there. Now whatever the student have joined, it will be appear. Suppose 30 students will join your class, then here in place of 130 will be there. But right now no one have joined. So if any people get joined, that number of student will be coming here. Right now I am the only one, so here 1 is coming. Again if I click, it is showing no attendance. Means you can on and off your attendance. Now it is showing the attendance of the class. So if you click here, you observe then it is showing the attendance of class. And here one more feature is also there. You observe here time, this is the date 8:58. So actually it is showing the attendance. Carefully observe the time, it is 8:58 here also, because we capture attendance two times. Okay, that's why it is showing two times. Means whatever the attendance you will take, that attendance will be added in this file, date wise, time wise. And now I am closing this. Now you observe here it is 0, again it is 1, and if you click on this icon, then attendance will be removed. Okay, and it will capture the attendance of current class only. Now I am clicking on this icon, so it will take few seconds. So here the attendance is not showing. Then what happen? You have to click here, and again I am doing on and off. It is 1 now. So now it is capturing the attendance of the current class only, not the previous class. So in this way, that option is very useful. Means if you want the attendance of the current class, not the previous, you simply click on this icon. Which icon I told? This icon. And after that, you have to on this and then you click on there. So it will capture the attendance of the current class. And if you want to add previous also, then as usual you always click on this icon, you will get the attendance of previous class also. So you can use it according to your comfortness. The main thing is there how to get this icon. So now you understood this part, how to take attendance, and here I guide you one more thing, how you can change the name of the student. Because whenever student get logging with their parent email ID, the parent names appear in place of student name. So these things should be done from the parent side or the student side, those who attend the class. They have to simply open the Google Meet, their application in their smartphone, and they have to change the name. So now I am going into the smartphone and I guide you how to change the student name. So here I close this. Now here I am in my smartphone and I will show you how the student will change their name. Okay, I will show you how they will change the name if they are going to attend the class. Because what happened in the Google Meet application, parent name comes in place of student name, because the student they log in with the parent email ID. So I tell you one trick how the student can change the name easily, so that while the teacher will take the attendance, in place of parent name, student name will come. So this thing should be done from the parent side. So here they have to first apply the Google, they have to open the Google Meet. And once this is open, they have to just, here 3 lines are there, you have to click there, and you can observe here upside the email ID is appearing, my email ID is coming. So you have to just open that, and here you have to check some options, manage your Google account. You simply touch there, and here you don't need to do anything, just click on the personal information. In the personal information upside name is there, so you just select that. Once you select that, it will be showing the name of the person. So here my first name, that is my channel name, last name is also related with the channel. So what happen, you have to just change that and then click on the save. I am not going to change this. So this thing you have to do, means what I told you, you have to open Google Meet, you have to open your email ID, manage account, then you have to select the personal information and simply type the name here and click on the save button. Then in place of, means you have to type your name in place. If suppose your parent name is there, you have to remove that and you type the your name, your first name. Suppose your name is suppose Anuj, so that Anuj name you have to type here. Last name is suppose last name is suppose Patel, so you have to type the Patel here, then click on the save option. So I just cancel this because I don't want to change that, and going into the back. So now I hope you understood how to change your name, and now here I close the session, and I hope you understood how to take attendance and how to change the name of the student, but it should be done from the student side. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope it is useful to you. Thank you.